Croeso, welcome. My name's Olivia. I'm a Welsh Language Skills tutor at Wrexham University, and my lecture will talk about my research saving the Welsh language. Helo a chroeso, fy enw i yw Olivia ac rwyf yn tiwtor sgiliau iaith Cymraeg yma ym Mhrifysgol Wrexham, a bydd fy narlith yn trafod astudiaeth fy ngwaith ymchwil a cherddoriaeth Gymraeg. I highlight my key findings and how these psychological concepts can be applicable to the education sector in Wales by recommending action that can be taken by both educators and students. Rwy'n amlygu fy nghanfyddiadau achweddol a sut y gall y cysyniadau seicolegol hyn fod yn berthnasol i sector addysg yng Nghymru, drwy argymell camau a gellir ei gymryd gan y ddysgwyr a myfyrwyr fel ei gilydd. I then talk about the Welsh language and how it not only belongs but is an essential part of the Welsh workplace as I delve into its benefits for both employees and business owners alike. Yna, rwy'n trafod yr iaith Gymraeg, a sut mae hi nid yn unig yn perthyn, ond yn rhan hanfodol o'r gweithle Cymreig, wrth i mi fynd i'r afael a'i buddion i weithwyr ac i berchnogion busnes fel ei gilydd.
You may think of the arts as inclusive, but in reality, how inclusive are the creative industries, and how can we make sure that we make creative spaces as accessible as possible? In 2025, 6 public forums were held in Wrexham to discuss disability, accessibility, and the creative arts. These forums highlighted the barriers and challenges that disabled people face in creative spaces. In my Wrexham Talks lecture, we will explore some of these discussion points and look at how we can challenge some of our perceptions of disability to make creative spaces more inclusive.
Our police force are often the first on scene for some of the most traumatic events which take place in our communities, but who supports them? In our recent research, we explored the use of a peer-to-peer reflective supervision model and how it can protect officers and staff by giving them space to reflect, support each other, and build resilience. This model focuses on connection between colleagues, grounded in trust, reflection, and professional care. In this upcoming public lecture, I'll share what we found, why it matters, and how this simple model can change the way we support frontline teams. We really hope to see you there.
I'm Dr. Chris White and I'm working with Sarah Hilton to understand more about Wrexham Football Club, but in particular what it's meaning for the community, people's identity and connection to the area, and we're also lucky enough to be working with the club directly to understand the work of their foundation and what that's meaning for people both within Wales and across the world.
This talk will take us on a journey from my personal use of drink and drug use through to practice experiences of working with those with their own difficulties with their drink and drug use, through to my last 15 years of researching alcohol and drug matters. And in that journey I'll explain why I've come to an understanding of a particular form of methodology that I think makes most sense and gives us the best understanding.
Tea or coffee?
Ooh, coffee.
Definitely coffee.
Coffee.
Morning or night?
Night, definitely.
Night.
Star Trek or Star Wars?
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Phone or email?
Phone, definitely.
Email.
Introvert or extrovert?
Both, I think.
Middle to extrovert.
Crippling anxiety.